Fear is a powerful emotion that can consume and paralyze individuals, preventing them from pursuing their dreams and living a fulfilling life. However, in the midst of this struggle, there is a passage in the Bible that offers a thought-provoking guide to conquering fear. Luke 12 verses 4-5 provides insights and wisdom to help individuals face their fears head-on and overcome them. Let us delve into this empowering scripture and explore its lessons for fear mastery. Facing fear. Luke 12 verses 4-5 serves as a beacon of hope and guidance for those who are trapped in the clutches of fear. It implores individuals to not be afraid of those who can harm the body, but to fear God, who has power over both the body and the soul. This passage encourages a shift in focus from worldly threats to the ultimate authority of God. By embracing this perspective, individuals can find the strength and courage to confront their fears and rise above them. A fear-conquering manual. In Luke 12 verses 4-5, Jesus urges individuals to acknowledge their fears but not allow them to control their lives. By putting their faith in God and recognizing His sovereignty, they can release the grip that fear holds over them. This passage acts as a manual for conquering fear, teaching individuals to prioritize their relationship with God and trust in His protection. It reminds believers that their lives are in the hands of an all-powerful God, giving them the confidence to face their fears head-on. Conquering fear. Luke 12 verses 4-5 provides invaluable insights into the nature of fear and its rightful place in one's life. By fearing God rather than earthly threats, individuals are reminded of their higher purpose and the eternal significance of their actions. This passage encourages believers to shift their focus from the transitory things of this world to the eternal realm, placing fear in its proper perspective. In doing so, individuals can conquer fear and live in the freedom and boldness that comes from a deep trust in God. A path to overcoming fear. Luke 12 verses 4-5 offers a clear path to overcoming fear, emphasizing the importance of acknowledging God's authority in one's life. By recognizing that God holds ultimate power over both the body and the soul, individuals can find solace and strength in His protection. This passage invites believers to surrender their fears to God, knowing that He is faithful and capable of guiding them through any challenge or adversity. By following this path, individuals can conquer their fears and live boldly in the face of uncertainty. A thought-provoking fear buster. Luke 12 verses 4-5 serves as a thought-provoking fear buster, challenging individuals to re-evaluate their perspective on fear. It reminds believers that there is a greater fear to be embraced, the fear of God. This passage encourages individuals to channel their fear towards awe and reverence for God, recognizing His authority and seeking His guidance. By shifting their focus to this higher fear, individuals can diminish the power of earthly fears and find the courage to face them head-on. An exploration. Luke 12 verses 4-5 presents a fascinating exploration into the complex nature of fear and the role it plays in human lives. It prompts individuals to reflect on their fears and assess whether they are hindering or empowering their journey. This passage challenges believers to decode the underlying messages embedded within their fears and to respond with faith and trust in God. By embarking on this journalistic exploration, individuals can uncover the true nature of their fears and find the keys to conquering them. Fear no more. Luke 12 verses 4-5 offers a powerful message of liberation from fear. It reveals that the true source of fear lies not in external threats, but rather in the fear of God. By unraveling this scripture, individuals can release the grip that fear has on their lives and embrace a life of courage and faith. This passage encourages believers to seek a deeper understanding of God's sovereignty and to trust in His protection. Through this unraveling process, individuals can fear no more and live victoriously over their fears. In a world consumed by fear, it is essential to find guidance and wisdom to conquer its debilitating grip. Luke 12 verses 4-5 provides a powerful and thought-provoking guide to overcoming fear, urging individuals to prioritize their relationship with God and shift their focus to His ultimate authority. By understanding and embracing the lessons outlined in this scripture, individuals can find the strength, courage, and freedom to conquer their fears and live a life filled with purpose and joy. Like and subscribe for more content or visit our channel. Thank you.